Gotta get those holes lined up for the motherboard. That's always the thing that infuriates me the most. This is where my anxiety kicks in. And hopefully my anger issues don't. Don't have anger issues. Go to therapy, guys. So, yeah, you can just set the fans over there.
This is the water cooler, right?
Yeah.
This is the water cooler.
Yeah.
You want me to just set it down here out of the way?
Yep, out of the way.
Set it on this. Oops, these screws.
Yeah, that's what I need for those, okay, this thing is about to make me swear.
No, we don't want to do that. The audience has delicate ears.
Yeah, well.
We have a PG rating at best.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you.